Injustice anywhere is a huge threat to justice everywhere. I, Vibhavi Golekar, wish you all a very happy International Day of Social Justice. This day is recognized for all the countries to join hands when we fight against the impunity and join hands while bringing justice to the victims of war, crime, inhumanity, and genocide. This day also attracts the people around the world to pay attention to serious issues and call out those people who affect the peace, security, and a well-being of a nation at risk. The theme of this year's World Social Justice Day is Social Justice in Digital Economy. Why do you think there is a call for social justice in digital economy? The digital economy is transforming the world of work. Over the past decade, expansion in broadband connectivity, cloud computing have led to the proliferation of digital economy in which several sectors have penetrated. At last, the main objective of celebrating World Social Justice Day is to raise a voice against the social injustice and to bring all the communities internationally together and eliminate poverty, gender and physical discrimination, illiteracy, religious discrimination, and make our society a socially integrated society. Thank you.
I am Grishma, a student. I feel that justice delayed is justice denied. According to the state of affairs in the Indian judiciary, there are more than 3 crore cases pending in our country. The necessary steps should be taken to maintain justice unless people lose faith in the justice delivery system. Let us have a look at 2 cases which made a lot of impact on our society. The first case is the scam of 1992, which was the biggest money scam ever committed in India, amounting approximately 5,000 crore. Harshad Mehta was the perpetrator of the scam. The case created a financial revolution in India. The immediate impact was a drastic fall in the share prices. Ram Jethmalani was the lawyer who defended Harshad Mehta in the scam. The scam shook the nation, but the wheels of justice grind slow. Mehta was convicted on September 1999 by the Bombay High Court and sentenced him to 5 years imprisonment. The second case is about a 28-year-old Pratibha Murthy who was raped and killed on 13 December 2005 when she was returning back home from her usual job. Pratibha's case sent shock waves across the country. It was a murder that made companies change their policies towards safety of working women. The case took over 4 years to reach a conclusion despite being handled by 11 fast-track courts. In October 2010, the fast-track court held Cabby Shivkumar guilty of kidnapping, raping and slaying Pratibha. The court awarded life imprisonment for the perpetrator. I would like to conclude by saying that there really can be no peace without justice, no justice without truth, and there can be no truth unless someone rises up to tell the truth. The dead cannot cry out for justice. It is our duty to do so for them. Thank you.
Hi, this is Girik of grade 9 from Major Pier. Justice is a quality of being fair or reasonable. Right is right, even if everyone is against it. And wrong is wrong, even if everyone is for it. By William Penn. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bhavita B, a student. Justice consists not being neutral between right or wrong, but finding out the right and upholding it wherever found against the wrong, as likely said by Theodore Roosevelt. As a student, what I felt is we have to not celebrate Justice Day by occurring words, but we have to live by them. That means we need to follow justice and help our country develop in all the categories. Thank you.
I'm Vijay from 9th A. According to me, justice is related to mutual relationships of persons in a society. Justice is based on the traditions and values in a society. Justice is related to all the aspects of human behavior in a society. Aim of justice is to provide equal rights and opportunities to all the people in the society. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Manasvi of grade 9th. Justice is important for each and every person on the world to fill the gaps of inequality. A nation without laws and justice are harsh, violent and corrupted. Every person should be given equal rights and equal justice, and they should not be discriminated on the basis of caste, religion and gender. Quote, peace is not simply the absence of conflict, but the presence of justice for all. Happy Justice Day to everyone. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anup D. Shanbag from grade 9. Today I'm going to talk about justice. So, what is justice? According to me, justice is the most important and the most discussed objective of the state and society. It is the basis of orderly human living. Justice demands the regulation of selfish actions of people for securing fair distributions, equal treatment of equals, proportionate, and other just rewards. The quote, I shall be known as a person who is concerned about equality, freedom, prosperity, and justice, by Rosa Parks. Thank you.
Hello, this is Manal Maksud, a student. Where there is justice, truth prevails. To ensure this, July 17th was marked as International Justice Day. It unites all those who support justice, promote the victim rights and help prevent the crimes which threatens the security, peace and well-being of the country. Law without justice is a wound without cure. William Scott Downey. Thank you.
Hi all, this is me, Yukta MM of grade 9B. Social justice promotes fairness and equality among many aspects of the society. For example, it promotes equality in economics, education and workspace opportunities. It also ensures safety and security of an individual or a community. Peace and justice both are two sides of a same coin. Thank you all, have a justiceful year ahead.
Hi, I am Chandan of grade 9. Justice is a form or a concept of equality and rightness. All the laws should be formed on the basis of justice. People across the world have not been given equal justice and rights upon the basis of gender, caste and religion, as well as the unjust people who use their power and influence for their benefit. Let the person be of any caste or rich or poor, he or she should be given equal justice and rights. Even if our constitution has been framed with all the laws supporting justice, in some parts of our country, justice has been lacked. So, the justice has been denied in many parts of our country, which may lead to the delay of justice. As a result, justice is the need across the whole world. The quote, true peace is not the absence of tension, it is the presence of justice, by Martin Luther King. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sanjana from grade 9. Justice. Justice helps us to treat fairly and equally on the basis of caste, gender and religion, etc. As rightly said us, justice cannot be one side alone, but must be both sides.
Hi all, I am Himesh, a student from grade 9. Justice, quite simply, forms the foundation of a civilized society. Societies without justice often tends to be harsh and intolerant, often leading to conflict. We all hold up the rule of law and the ideal of justice as being blind to social status, wealth or anything else. So I believe justice is must and important to all. As rightly said, if you want peace, work for justice. It is a quote by Pope Paul VI.
Hi, I am Rishabh Raju and from grade 9. The main objective of celebrating World Day of Social Justice is to raise a voice against social injustice and to bring the various communities internationally together to eliminate poverty, gender, physical discrimination, illiteracy, and religious discrimination, to make a socially integrated society. This is a quote by Horace Mann. Injustice alone can shake down the pillars of skies and restore the reign of chaos and night. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Apurva, a student of grade 9. Today I am going to speak about justice. What is justice? Justice is a feeling of honesty, equality and faithfulness in our transactions and communications. Basically in all aspects of our life. Why is Justice Day celebrated? It is celebrated to raise a voice against social injustice, to bring the various communities initially together to eliminate poverty, gender equality and physical discrimination, illiteracy, religious discrimination and to make a socially integrated society. As rightly said by Claude T. Colvin, back then as a teenager I kept thinking, why don't the adults here just say something? Say it so they know that we don't accept segregation. I knew then and I know now that when it comes to justice, there is no easy way to get it. You have to take a stand and say this is not right. You have to say that this is not right. You have to uphold the truth and stand by it. By saying this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Hi all, my name is Sahana Iyer and today I'm going to talk about justice. Justice is a moral rightness based on ethics, rationality, law, natural law, equity and religious. It is also the act of being just and or fair. So, it is rightly said that let the first act of every morning the resolving for the day. I shall not fear anyone on earth, I shall fear only God. I shall not bear ill wills towards anyone. I shall not submit to injustice from anyone. I shall conquer untruth by truth, and in resisting of untruth, I shall put up with all suffering. Thank you.
I'm Hema Gaudi from grade 9. There may be times when we are powerless to prevent injustice. There must never be a time when we fail to protest.
This is Anmisha Pradhan from grade 9. I thank you all for watching this video. I hope that my friends and I were able to successfully send across a strong message on justice. I firstly would like to thank our school for giving us this opportunity and entrusting this responsibility on this day to render such an important message on justice, which is an integral part of our society. I would also like to thank our teachers for guiding us and investing in us the important values of life. Let us always stand for what is right and let us always believe in being just. Thank you.